Hi guys! Good afternoon! Welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, ang pag-uusapan natin ay kung ano na nga ba ang tunay na estado ng mga trabaho namin dito sa Australia. So last Tuesday, the government announced lockdown here in Victoria kung saan ako nakatira. So obviously, nag-close na yung mga schools, nag-close na yung mga non-essential services, small businesses, such as cafes, pubs, restaurants, yung mga hair and nail salon, wala na guys. Nag-close na talaga silang lahat. So, ang pwedeng mag-open lang is the supermarkets, the petrol stations, the banks, and obviously the hospitals. Because of the lockdown, guys, sad to say, marami talaga yung nawala ng trabaho. So, yung mga workers na nagtatrabaho sa mga small businesses, katulad ng mga cafes, yung mga waiters, nawala na talaga sila ng trabaho, guys, which is sad, but also we all know the reason behind it, kung bakit nag-lockdown and bakit kailangan tayong magstay inside our home. So if we are not following the rules, guys, like staying at home, it means tataas yung rate ng coronavirus cases sa mga lugar natin. Which means na matatagalan pa bago mag-open lahat yung mga businesses again. So that's why, if possible, just stay at home, guys. Para naman, I know it's really hard, but it is for everyone's sake kung bakit ginagawa ng gobyerno ito. So in our case, guys, we are very lucky that Mike and I still have our job. Thank you Lord. Kasi nga, yung both jobs namin is they classify it as a necessity pa rin. So, we are still open, though we're not going to our offices anymore. So, since last week, I started working from home full-time. And Mike started this week, he worked from home. So both of us are working from home until further notice. So we're very happy na patuloy pa rin yung trabaho namin, guys, kasi nga 'di ba, we have to support ourselves, and meron din akong pamilya na sinusuportahan ko sa Pilipinas, and our little one, you know, we have to support her needs, and obviously, guys, may mga bills pa rin na kailangan nating bayaran. So, very lucky and very grateful na patuloy pa rin yung work na. I feel sorry sa mga taong nawalan ng trabaho, guys, lalo na dito sa Melbourne. Nakikita ko na yung mga yung may mga international students na nawalan na ng trabaho, and they can't support, you know, like themselves anymore. And it's really affecting everyone, guys. And sana matapos na to. Let's all pray and be hopeful na soon matapos na rin tong pandemic na to, guys, and everyone will just, you know, go back to normal again. And for now, let's just pray and also be grateful of what you have. That's about it, guys, for today's video. I just want to give you an update of what's happening right now dito sa amin. Stay at home, everyone. Be safe, and I hope to see you all, guys, in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye!